In this A2 hosting tutorial, I'm going to be going over how to create an A2 hosting account step by step from start to finish. Creating an account with A2 hosting is a quick and easy process. I'll also be providing you with an A2 hosting discount so you can save money on your A2 hosting web hosting purchase. You'll get up to 76% off A2 hosting. Let's get started with the Create A2 Hosting Account tutorial. The first thing you want to do to create an A2 hosting account is to click the link in the description below so you can be taken to A2 hosting, and so you can take advantage of the A2 hosting discount by getting up to 76% off. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from A2 hosting at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome A2 hosting discount. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be on the A2 hosting page. Scroll down to where you see the hosting services showing. You'll see shared hosting. Click the view all plans link. You'll now be on the web hosting page. Next, scroll down to where you see the plan showing. You'll see 4 different plans you can choose from: the Ignite, Excel, Turbo Velocity, and Turbo Nitro plan. All 4 plans come with a free SSL certificate, free site migration, a 99.9% uptime guarantee, 24/7 support, 30-day money-back guarantee, comprehensive security suite, automated backups, and dynamic PHP workers. You get hosting for $2.99 a month with the Ignite plan. This plan is good if you're only going to have one website, as this plan comes with one website. You receive 10 GB SSD storage, 5 total databases, 1 GB physical memory, and unlimited email accounts. The Excel plan comes with unlimited websites, unlimited SSD storage, unlimited databases, 2 GB physical memory, Node.js up to 20, and unlimited email accounts. The Turbo Velocity plan comes with unlimited websites, unlimited NVMe SSD storage, unlimited databases, 4 GB physical memory, unlimited email accounts, and this plan is up to 20 times faster. The Turbo Velocity plan also comes with all the features the Excel plan comes with, plus turbo features like performance plus traffic surge protection, Lightspeed web server, up to 11 times faster than Apache, A2 optimized site accelerator, pre-configured site caching, HTTP2 and HTTP3, Lightspeed cache plugins for faster software speed, deluxe WordPress toolkit features, Magento pre-configured for speed and security. The Turbo Nitro plan comes with unlimited websites, 8 GB physical memory, and everything that the Turbo Velocity plan comes with, plus 5 times more resources. Once you decide on a plan to choose, click the button that says Get and the name of the plan. For this tutorial, I'll choose the Ignite plan. You'll now be on the checkout page. You'll see Account. Input your account information. Over on the right, you'll see the different hosting terms you can choose from. You can choose between monthly, 12 months, 24 months, and 36 months. You get the cheapest pricing with the 36-month term. You'll see the A2 hosting cost and savings. I'll choose 12 months for this tutorial. Scroll down to the Register a Domain. Click the I need to register a new domain, and you can enter a domain name that you'd like to have. Click I have a domain if you already own a domain name from another provider. You can select to transfer your domain to A2 hosting, or you can click Skip for now, and A2 hosting will give you a temporary domain name to use. Next, go to the Configure Your Hosting section. Next to Server Location, from the drop-down, you can select the server location you'd like. You'll see Dedicated IP. You can choose to select this or not based on your needs. Next, go to the Billing section. Select how you'd like to pay. You can pay with a credit debit card, PayPal, or bank wire transfer. Select that you've read and agreed to the terms and conditions. Click the Pay button. A2 hosting will now complete your payment. You'll see your order is in progress. Once it is done, you'll be on an order success page. A2 hosting will send you a receipt via email, as well as your login details and links to access your A2 hosting dashboard and cPanel. Click the Client Area button. You'll now be in the A2 hosting dashboard. You've successfully created your A2 hosting account. This is my A2 hosting tutorial going over how to create an A2 hosting account. If you have any questions, get in touch in the comments, as I'm here to help you with anything you need. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more A2 hosting tutorial videos.